YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix GitHub Copilot not working in the VS Code. So guys, to fix the GitHub Copilot not working in the VS Code, so refresh your authentication token, update your extension or clear the caches. So we check all of these options one by one. First of all, refresh your GitHub authentication. For authentication, so guys, basically there is a session token. Basically the login process work on the session token. Sometime it will automatically expire, so you need to change your ID password and you need to re-logged in. For this guys, you simply click the option of here, you see that this icon, and guys here you see account. Now guys, here you see the option of this is my account with my GitHub. Okay, now you go here and guys click the option of sign out. After sign out, then you can log in again with your GitHub same credentials and check that your GitHub working or not. Okay, another thing is guys, remove the corrupt enterprise settings. Sometimes the common glitches in the recent update like append the enterprise's authentication parameter stand user account, breaking the login loop. So you try to close your VS Code completely and then try it again. Okay, for this guys, even not just close from here, you try to close from the force quit and then close from the background services also. Okay, another thing is guys, verify the active subscription in the plan. So guys, if you are working on GitHub provided free tier along the paid plan, but both have the strict boundaries. To check it, first of all you logged in and go for the Copilot setting and dashboard to verify that your subscription state. If you are the Copilot free plan, so check your usage tier. It cap out at 200 completion or 50 chats per agent required to per cycle. Okay, and the last thing is guys, reinstall and align the core extensions. So guys, Copilot function through two distinct interconnected extension that must be updated together. Okay, for this you simply go for the search. Here you for search, and first you search GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot chat. So simply GitHub. Okay, and here, okay, it is not showing, so I think we are on the wrong option. So guys, this is the option. So here you simply search GitHub, hit enter, and now when you go, okay, just close it, GitHub Copilot. So guys, this is your GitHub Copilot. So make sure this GitHub Copilot is updated, and also check the GitHub Copilot chat also updated. Okay, so make sure both of the application is up to date and still having the issue. So guys, you try to reinstall it again. Okay, so you simply click the option of uninstall, so uninstall all. After that, here you see the option of restart the extension and install. So first you restart the extension, then click the option of install. So this is the way that guys you can fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.